any code, we have to trace what is the exact, what we can say, like what is the logic behind that? Why we have to do like that only? Why not in another way?
Yes.
Sometimes we are taking some logic. If you say data structures, if someone asks reverse linked list, at the time what we are doing, simple we are taking some variable names like previous, next and current. Why only like that we are taking that variable names? Balmiki, you can admit Amit, maybe he is in loop,
Yeah.
lobby.
He's on class right now.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now we got the point, Snehal, like
Yes,
what
sir.
I'm trying to say.
Yes.
From whenever we are doing program, I will definitely give you the clear clarity, like why only like that, why not in another way.
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, we have the Balmiki, we have the previous class sessions also, no? Like related to bitwise operator.
Yes, we have. And also,
Okay.
I think in the blog section, go and check once, okay? And just search
Yes,
here.
definitely I will add.
Okay.
Last in the previous two
Like-
batches, na, I'm not sit with the blogs actually.
Okay.
Simple, I am giving the sessions only. But this time I will add. Anyway, you are adding a recorded video. Apart from that, I will add that notes also, class notes, and as well as some simple notes. Like whenever the people are attending from the vector and this institute, na, they are not telling exact cross questions in the interview. They simple give the answer, like a problem statement and answer, but they are not providing the class question from that answer.
Correct.
I will paste that one also, class questions also.
Sir, actually,
Yes,
I have
Nehal,
doubt.
this part. Yes,
Yes.
Nehal.
So, how to crack this interview means C questions and embedded C.
Yeah. Coming to interview part, na?
Yes.
In C, hardly if you take C interview, there are possible theory questions almost, if you say on finger, we can say 18 or 20 questions of theory questions. That's it. Okay, Snehal, can you say what are the theory concept you know in C?
Yes, sir.
Just
like
whatever in your coming mind, just say that one.
Yes. Compilation stages, then storage classes, memory layouts like micros, and storage class is the most important as theoretical part. Micros, memory layout, how to can use of heap, stack, and dynamic memory locations, and test segment. And
no need to brief, like just heading wise. Go ahead, heading wise, like
Okay.
main topics. As of now, you covered 4 topics.
Yeah. Then pointers also, all pointers. Then set bit, clear bit. That's all. And function also. Function, pointer, array, string, and yes, and files also.
That's it.
Yes.
One more thing, some tough stuff you missed, like dynamic memory allocation.
Yeah, dynamic memory
After
allocation.
that, structure and different. After that, damn sure question volatile.
Yes.
Volatile and constant.
Yes.
Okay. Coming to functions, one more thing also you forget it, like callback function. Do you know?
Yeah, callback and callback references.
Yes, that one. Okay. One more thing, coming to pointers, there are, as you said, types of pointers. Then after that, main difference, wild and dangling pointer.
Yes, sir.
See, these are the only theory questions we are getting in the interview.
Yes.
See, you already know the questions, theory questions. There's no problem. But one and only thing we have to do, how we are giving the statement to the interviewer.
Yes.
With that statements only we are getting the crash questions. If you are not able to face the crash question, it will give negative impact.
Yes.
That's why I'm on that day. In the last session, I'm saying, whenever you're giving any statement, it has to crystal clear. Not again, we are not get the crash question from that statement.
Yes.
That's why whenever giving the theory answer, there is no change in theory. It's any time it is fixed statement. There's no modifications. If coming to programming part, according to requirement, we have to change our logic and all thing. But
Yes.
coming to theory, it is fixed wise, na?
Yes.
Means whenever you got any theory questions, it is like full task. You have to hit 6. No need to lose the ball. The same way, if you coming to programming part, here are also limited questions. When you feel limited question means whenever you practice more time on the logic, not on the program. Okay, no need to, if you got any requirement in your mind, no need to write all the things, hash include, main and all. Simple take one function. Okay, anyway, if possible, today I will suggest you people how to write a program in the interview panel. Like if you ask, like, can you write the read bit from the particular data? What is your approach, Snehal?
Sorry?
If the requirement is like, wait, Snehal, Amit, are you there? Hi, Amit, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, Amit, because of power issue, I'm logged in with the mobile only. Sorry for the inconvenience. Like, if power came, definitely I will take session today, 8:30 to 9:30, same time. Yesterday also I'm stuck with traffic. That's why I'm unable to log in. Okay, Amit. So just now I'm discussing about the theory and whatever the general questions in the interview and see. Those are topics I'm discussing. If you have any doubt also, you can also discuss with us. Okay. Now Snehal said related to program wise, na Snehal?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Whenever the coming to program wise, na, if my requirement is like you have to read particular bit in my data, then what is your approach to complete this program?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Yeah, Amit, like requirement is like we have to read particular bit value in given data. What is your approach? How to write a program in the interview time? Snehal, you got my question?
Yes.
Okay, I will explain. Like whenever you got the requirement from the interviewer, na, you have to prove that yes, I understand your requirement. How it is possible? Without words, you have to tell to the interviewer by your statement, whatever you are writing program. With that program statement, you have to convey your understanding level to the interviewer. Means, see, he only told what is the requirement, like you want to read the bit value. Then he already told what is the data he is given to you. And one more thing also he told, like what is the exact requirement. These three things definitely will tell the interview panel. With these whatever the requirements we listen, these three words, we have to make our function with these three only. Like what he asked, bit value, na? Simple. What is the possible of bit value? Either 0 or 1. For that, you can take int, return type as int, my function return type. And function name, we have to take a read particular bit. This is my function name. And the formal argument, I have to take int data. Snehal, you got the point what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
With this, interviewer understand like, okay, he or she is understanding my requirement. Like return type int means whatever the bit value, 0 or 1. Or else sometimes bool also possible. Then based on the function name, he understand, yes, he's exactly understand my requirement. And third one, yes, this is a person understanding what I am giving to him. With this type of prototype function definition, interview panel definitely will happy. Next part, whenever you write your code, at least we have to maintain some indentation. Some people what they are doing, simple. Next, after the definition, simple giving start the statement int a, next again, one by one, like text segment we are writing, text format. With this, what happens? If you have any bug, at that time you are not able to fix immediately. But if you are following some indentation, na, like for the statement, okay, next we have to give that tab space. Whenever you go with the loop, first start the loop, within the loop, first give this tab space. Like that, if you write the code, na, it will look wise good. It will definitely impress the interviewer. Then if you got any bug or any like you are not able to trace, it is easier to trace the bug in your code with that indentation.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, anyway, I will definitely today I will show you the code related. Anyway, today we'll discuss some bitwise operators. Na? On that session, I will definitely show you like how to write a statement. If you got any requirement, no need to write entire code. Whenever interview also ask, na, no need to start hash include into main. Simply take the function concept only, like what he is giving, what he want, what is the exact requirement. With that statement, it is clear to the interviewer also. But whenever he asks, na, okay, you can compile that code. Then simple add main and all. Simple call in the main function. Whatever he want to pass, they simply pass there. Only 3 statements you have to add while you want to compile. Okay?
Yes.
Got the point, Nehal? Like this way,
Yes.
we can impress the interview panel. And coming to embedded C, you said, na?
Yes.
In the requirement, if you see the JD, no one can ask like, okay, you have to turn on LED, you have to send the data to the via UART. There is no tool to check whether your code is working or not. That is only statements only tells like whether the statement is working or not based on your explanation. If someone asks, okay, you have to blink LED with 5 milliseconds. There is no tool like to check the output. But whatever the statement you are writing, whatever the register you are taking, that is the main thing in the embedded C concept. Mostly they
Yes.
won't ask, even though if you are attending for the embedded developer position, they won't ask that type of questions. If they ask, na, simple you have to take care about LED blinking and you are to transmit and receive, like how to transmit, how to receive. While transmitting and receiving, what are the registers you have to take care about, like status register, transmit hold registers. Okay. And coming to I2C and SPI also, these 4 modules you have to take care about how to read, how to write, character by character. Even though these all are serial communications, na, character by character only communication happens. Like that, how to transmit a character by using these 4 protocols, how to read a character by using these protocols. You have to practice on this program wise. Okay. Whenever ask the interviewer, like you have to explain, like if for suppose if you're taking I2C, while transmitting what we have to do. And one more thing coming to SPI, if you want to select the slave, what we have to do? We have to make chip select pin high to low. Then only we have to communicate with a particular slave. Like at the time, what we have to do? Okay, these are the things only we have to do. But anyway, if it is first job, na, definitely we will get some demotivation whenever we got negative feedback from the first interview. But no need to hesitate. Don't feel bad. How much interviewers are facing, na, those will get an value to your only. Like how many interviews you are
Yes.
attending, from that interview will get the new questions. If you are not getting new questions, means you are closer to your job. Means you are not getting new questions, means you already repeated questions you are getting, na. Definitely you
Yes.
will get the job within the 1 or 2 interviews. Means you are getting new questions, means you are not, 2 things are there. One is you are not practicing more questions, and second thing, you are not getting more questions from your side. Whenever you are preparing more questions from your side, it is easier to crack the interview. Okay. Any questions, Nehal? Amit, any questions from your side? Amit, are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Snehal, any other questions from your side?
No, sir. Sir, actually, they are asking like of electronics question. Some means ADC concept. I have one project done. That's the name is dashboard. Dashboard design
Dashboard
using CAN.
CAN protocol.
Yeah. So they are
Okay.
asking some question like I2C is also two wires communication, right? SDA or
Yes.
SCL, and CAN also two means two wire communication
Yes,
product.
two
CAN
wire
high and
difference.
CAN
Yes,
low. So
yes,
why
yes.
are using a CAN protocol in dashboard design? Why do not use in a I2C?
Okay. Simple, na? I2C and SPI for the storage purpose we are using. This protocol,
Sorry.
see, in I2C, na? I2C,
Yes.
what will do? Which is it off duplex, full duplex, or simplex? I2C.
Full duplex.
Nehal, I2C, I'm asking out of it, SPI.
Sorry.
How many data lines you have in I2C?
Two data lines, sir.
Nehal, we have only data line SDA, CL class. Only
SDA
two
and
words, na?
SCL. Yes.
Means only one data line we have.
Yes, half
Means it
duplex.
is not possible to transmit at a time. Read and write not possible. Only either write or either read, but not at a time. Means both are possible. Slave can transmit, slave also receive the data, but it is not at a time. That's why we can call off duplex. This is one more thing. Okay. And one more thing. Is it slave can initiate the communication in I2C protocol?
Yes.
Whenever you are reading, master only you start the communication.
Slave. Yeah.
Okay. Is it possible to initiate the communication by the slave?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Then why slave having this clock signal? Anyway,
Sir,
we are telling like a clock means to initiate the data for the master. But
Yes.
slave side again, why we have the clock? What is the answer for this question?
Means all communication addressing device on the bus.
No. Straight answer is like, while communication, we have in the frequency. We have to maintain the frequency. Like these are clock based communication. If you're taking UART, this is baud rate based communication. But coming to clock, if your clock means based on clock only we are communicating. Means both are in same clock speed. Then only communication happen properly. If there is no clock, there is no communication happens. That's why we have the clock master side as well as slave side. But there is a chance slave also initiate the communication, but it is not easier. That's why in I2C, in your project also, you are taking the slave as some storage device, like maybe EEPROM. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Simple. We are using this I2C protocol to store the data only.
Yes.
Okay. With that master, we are storing the data and reading the data. But slave doing nothing. Simple is always listening mode only. Whatever giving the master, that will be stored in the device, whatever the storage device you are in, EEPROM or ROD. Simple master utilizing the data only. Same like when file, slave acting as like file only. But here master, whatever the data he want to store in that storage device, it store whenever we need, it read the data from that device. That's why. But coming to CAN, it is not like that. It will each CAN node having master based communication. In CAN we don't have slave based communication. Is it correct or no?
Yes.
In master means, in CAN means what we are saying, master based communication. There is no slave concept in the CAN. All are masters only.
Only master.
Yeah, only master based communication. There is no slaves. Means one is sometimes, suppose we are having nodes, 4 nodes. Node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4.
Yes.
Okay. If anyone communicate, suppose node 1 want to communicate some data frame or remote frame want to send onto the CAN bus, it will only initiate the data communication. Means all are in listening mode only. Whenever you are on the device, all CAN nodes are in listening mode. Okay.
Yes.
If someone initiate the data, means someone transmit any frame onto the CAN bus, all are listening mode only. Whoever present on the CAN bus, it will give the acknowledgement to that particular CAN. Node 2.
Yes.
Node 1, suppose node 1 is there. Node 1 will communicate to node 2. Then node 2 give the acknowledgement on the CAN bus. Based on the acknowledgement, node 1 again send its data. Okay.
Yes.
That's why you can say like in my project, I am using I2C for storage the data.
Yes.
But CAN for each module I am using with the CAN to communicate with each module. I am using this CAN protocol. With I2C, it's not possible. Like at a time we have to transmit and receive. It is not possible. But if coming to CAN, it is possible. Means someone send the data, someone receive the data.
Yes.
CAN means full duplex, na? Full duplex or
Yes.
half duplex CAN?
CAN is a full duplex.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose receive frame. Yes. Okay, I also cross-check this one because as a embedded side, I'm not that much doing projects on CAN. Okay. Long back, I
CAN is
listed
not
on the
a full duplex. It's a half duplex.
Yes, that's why I'm asking because there is only two words, CAN high, CAN low.
Yes.
Whenever, don't confuse Nihal, like whenever you got the question, na, full duplex obliques means we have two data lines.
Yes.
Two words means we have also in coming to UART. If you are familiar, na, then no confusion in the full duplex and half duplex concept because we can make our UART protocol with half duplex and full duplex. How can we do that one? You know how to do full duplex and half duplex with the CAN?
Sir, CAN is means only two data lines here uses. That's CAN high and CAN low.
Yes.
And means half duplex also means only one
No.
device.
Okay. Wait. As you said, CAN have two data lines. Is why its name high low? Why not CAN data 1, CAN data 2? Why they are naming as CAN high, CAN low? Why? CAN high, CAN low, that is not related to data lines. Okay.
Yes.
Those are CAN high, CAN low means voltage levels.
Yes, the voltage level.
Okay. Means whenever you want to communicate, simple, there is the CAN bus. CAN high, CAN low wires are there. On that CAN bus, these people are sent simple formats, frame formats, which frame he wants. Either data frame he wants, either request frame, either overload frame, or error frame. These are the only 4 frames we have, no? Like based on the address-based communication only here also. CAN and I2C both are address-based communications.
Yes.
Okay. But in SPI, there is not address-based communication. It is based on slave only. Means chip select. Based on chip select, we can communicate. Okay.
Yes.
Like whenever you are keeping a project, na, at that time more cross questions we have to prepare. Like we don't know which layer they are working. If they are good at CAN protocol, definitely we'll get more questions on the CAN. If they are good at I2C, definitely we'll get more questions on the I2C. That's why at least what we did in our project, exact operations, we have end to end. If you are going to this way, na, definitely you will convey your project. After that, if you got new questions, it will help you for the next interview.
Yes.
But if you have any doubt, try to clear in the interview time only. If someone asks some new questions, because they already work with people, na, they know correct and proper answer, how to give the answer. Like that, you have to get the answer from the interviewer only. But don't, okay, why I'm not asking? If asking, no need to hesitate. If you have doubt from that interview questions, take some time and ask them. Like kindly you can ask them like, sir, I want to know the answer. As of now, this is not, I'm not getting this type of questions. This is my new question to my interview panels. Can you please explain me this? It will help you for the further interviews. Like that, you can ask, na? They definitely help you. Okay.
Yes.
Any other questions, Nehal? Amit, any other question from your side?
Basically, I need to understand embedded, but I have not. Then I will ask you.
Okay, Amit, okay. Yes, Nehal, any other doubts?
Sir, it's like embedded CAN protocol is automotive domain. So many companies are in automotive domain, like Hilla and all. Sir, it's a good opportunity. After I learn CAN protocol. Then after also to
No, I'm not getting your question. What is the question exactly?
sir, CAN protocol is used in a automotive domain, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So it's like so many opportunity in also automotive domain, na, sir. Embedded is not only in means
Okay. I got
IoT
wait,
and
Nehal. I got your question. What is in your mind? Okay. There is
yes,
no boundary in the jobs. Okay. If you take automotive sector, this is also big domain, automotive. But
yes, sir.
there are, if you once get into automotive domain, na, see, Balmiki also in automotive domain only. Bosch, the head of who invented CAN protocol, it is Bosch only. See, if you're selecting automotive or embedded, automotive also embedded only, but simple, they are following one architecture like AutoSer architecture. Means once you enter into automotive domain, na, it is easier to, there is, my personal opinion is, there is not much work there. Simple, they already have the one architecture of AutoSer. Simple, they have only 4 layers, application, BSW layer and all 3 layers. In that again, BSW again, we have 3 layers. And coming to protocols, mostly they are using CAN. Okay.
Yes.
If you're good at CAN protocol and good at C, it is easy to get into automotive domain. But something you have to know, at least basics of the AutoSer architecture. If you want to get into automotive domain. The next part, firmware side, like embedded side. If you want to get into embedded side, you have to know about protocols, rest all 3, I2C, UART, SPI,
Yes.
and microcontroller level, and as well as C. Definitely C is for all. If you want to embedded and automotive, C is the head. Okay. Then after, if you have the time and interest, just go with the CPP also.
Yes.
CPP as well as Python. Okay. Why I'm suggesting means the next upcoming is C++ only, because C++ having the more security features.
Yes.
If you come into automotive domain also, initially they are using C only, but if you are coming to dashboard and all, they are implementing their features with C++ only. It is
Yes.
easier to implement and rich in libraries, C++.
Yes.
If you see the lead code and hacker rank programs also, if you got hard questions, hard requirement, it is easy to implement with the C++.
Okay.
Whatever the requirement you written in C++, if you write same requirement in C, it will take more lines in the C.
Okay.
That's why don't think like, okay, this is good, this is bad. Our main agenda is first we have to get the job in whatever the domain, embedded or automotive. After that, like whenever you got the job, you want to shift to the automotive domain, you have to work or you have to implement your own projects Like if someone asks me, like, see, Balmiki also works some automotive project. You have to take the project from him and you have to put in your resume. You have to get more explanation on that. Then it is easy to shift the job. Like if you have the keywords of the automotive domain, like a CAN and UDS and AutoSir, this type of keywords in your resume, definitely your resume will shortlist for the automotive domain also. If you have the keywords like bare metal programming and ITC or these protocols, board bring up and these all, no, then your profile shortlist for the embedded domain also, firmware side also. We have to make our resume like which domain we are going to. Okay, anyway, as you said, CAN protocol you did, na? Project also that said. But one more suggestion, Snehal, because so many people from the vector, so many people from the radar, MLTechs. If you see these profiles, definitely the same project they also have. But with this, what happens? Sometimes our profile not shortlist for the requirement. Better to take any project from the real-time employees. Okay, any other from the YouTube or online. At least try to get a new project from related to automotive side. Not only this dashboard. If you got that project, it will be helpful to you. Like apart from from the 100 profiles, if you have new project in your resume, they definitely go with you profile only.
Yes.
Okay. You got the point what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir. Sir, like means Linux is also important.
Very, very important into embedded domain. Okay. Linux, this is also not a big deal. Even starting of my career also, I am afraid to practice Linux concepts because we are not started. Na? That's why it is big deal to start the Linux concept. If you take the Linux, it is easier to write the code also. In Linux, so many pretty features are there in Linux. One question, for suppose one question we are getting from the C. If there is any memory leak, how you find your memory leaks? What is your answer, Snehal, for this?
Sorry, sir.
For suppose we are using malloc and calloc, we implemented memory, but we are not free that memory. What happens? Then it leads to memory leak. Is it?
Yes. Memory leak.
Then how you find in your code where the exact memory leak happens? How you find this? How to find the memory leaks in your code? For suppose you have thousands of lines of code.
Thousands of code.
Come again?
Means some memory leak means simple ways fail to release.
Yes. But as a implementer, as a developer, I'm forget sometimes free function. Whatever after utilizing that memory, I'm not able to free that by typo mistake or because of I'm not get that point. Okay. Anyway, I'm started at first line, but I want to free that and 100th line. Is it possible to remember that one? Is it not possible? No. Means I started it, created it first line only, but after 100th line, my requirement is like that. After 100 line, I want to free that memory. I'm not remember that memory name, which pointer I'm taking. In meanwhile, I'm taking so many pointers. Which pointer I have to free? It is not easy to remember, na?
Yes.
Then how to free that? One approach is like whenever you create malloc, after that you have to means you have to how many frees in your code. Like with the grep command, we can know how many mallocs and how many frees are there. If the match not matched, if I'm using 3 mallocs, at least I have to give how many frees? 3 free functions I have to give.
Yes.
This is one way. But if it is 1,000 or lakhs of code, then how you find?
Yes.
Even though it will give like 500 mallocs you created, there we got only 499 frees only. But how you find? where we lost that one free function. Okay.
Yes.
In Linux, we have one feature, one tool is there. Okay, with that tool, we can find which statement where, with which malloc we are not free that memory. For which memory, which pointer. This has the feature in the Linux. Like that, we can find the memory leaks in our program.
Yes.
Okay. Linux also
Yes.
good. Coming to Linux, some commands,
Yes.
like what are the commands, and one more thing, process management, like how to create a process and thread, and process synchronization, thread synchronization. Okay.
IPC
And some
concept.
signaling concept. Yes, this inter-process communication only, process communication. And some signaling concept. That's it.
Yes.
No need about the memory management. If you are into Qualcomm and AMD, there
Yes.
definitely you have to take care about the memory management. Means they are working on the memory only, like CPU scheduling algorithms. They will work on this only, IPC mechanism and scheduling algorithms and this memory management concepts. But
Okay, sir.
as a fresher, good to have like what are the concept at least in the OS concept.
OS means, sir, a Linux, right?
Yes, Linux only. Linux, RTOS, these all comes under OS only.
Okay.
What
Sir,
you think? Linux means what you are thinking?
Sir, RTOS and Linux is means what is the difference, sir? There, OS,
Yes.
those are OS now.
Yeah, RTOS means Linux is like both are OS only, but why RTOS means in RTOS there is no virtual memory concept. And one more thing, there is no virtual memory. Do you know about virtual memory?
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. I will tell like what is the main difference between RTOS and Linux OS. See, in RTOS means we have to respond within a short time. Means there is no system calls.
Okay.
There is no kernel in the RTOS concept. If we are calling system call means it's costlier operation. System calls. It will take more time. It will halt your program, what you are implementing. That's why there is not that much system calls in your RTOS. It is compared to, we are thinking like RTOS means it is tough to implement. But coming to implementation of Linux application, RTOS applications, it is easier to implement in RTOS applications because there are less system calls, less APIs we have to implement. But there is critical thing is time parameter. Whatever the ISRs we implemented, those ISRs are less time we have to manage because real-time applications, like medical and defense and this automotive sector, so we are using RTOS only. Means whatever the things happen within the short period, we have to get that application.
Okay.
See, RTOS means simple. Whenever you require time-related parameters, time-related applications, at that time you go with but there is secured and features all. This we go with the Linux platform. Okay.
Okay.
These all you will get in the experience only if you are into like whoever worked in the real-time operating systems. From them only you will get a better clarity. But as of now, the Linux RTOS means simple. You can see if someone asks what is the difference between Linux OS and RTOS OS. Simple, you can say if you want to go with time-related parameters, real-time application, then we go with RTOS. Okay.
Okay.
Or else, if normal application, we go with the Linux OS. Okay.
Okay.
In future class, definitely we will discuss on more. Like we have the real-time experience, guys. If someone worked on RTOS, then definitely we will conduct one session with that guy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Amit, any question from your side?
Yeah, I need to understand basically Linux debugging technique and I am working on application. So I am facing challenges to do debugging that concept.
Yeah. Anyway, Amit, you are not Your voice is not clear.
Yeah. Am I audible?
You're audible, but not
Yeah.
clear.
Actually,
Yeah.
I have doubt regarding Linux application regarding debugging techniques.
Debugging techniques. Okay, Amit, I will show you. Anyway, okay, I will show you how to debug our code with the GDB. In Linux, we have the GDB tool is there. With that, I will give the demo, like how to debug our code, how to find the bug and how to fix that bug. Okay.
Yeah.
In future, I will tell you within upcoming sessions. In one session, I will give that demo also, how to find the bug and how to fix that. Any other, Amit? Any other questions?
Regarding nothing now. Actually, I want to study and definitely I will.
Okay, Amita, okay. Snehal, from your side, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Balmiki, shall we wind up, or and if you want to add any point, you can add.
We can wind up to here only, and we'll connect again at 8:30. Okay, normal class.
Yeah.
And Amit have
Yes.
some doubt to access the course, so I will talk with separately. Meantime, if you guys
Okay.
want to leave, you can drop the
Okay.
call. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Snehal. Okay,
Bye.
Amit.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye, guys. Take care. Yeah.
Yeah, Amit. Actually, let me share my screen first. Wait, just one moment.